It is a beautiful day.
Yes, it is perfect for a family walk.
The kids will love it.
Are you ready, Lily? Yes, I am. Let us go together.
Stay close to the family.
I will, Dad.
Good. Always stay together.
Never go with a stranger.
Even if they are friendly?
Yes, always stay with us.
This park is beautiful. I want to play. Stay where we can see you.
The kids are having fun.
Yes, they look happy.
Let us stay nearby.
Noah, look over there. What do you see? Someone is standing there.
Hello, little boy.
Do I know you?
No, you do not. Come with me.
No, I cannot.
Why not?
Lily, stay with me. Okay, Noah. We should find Mom and Dad. Please stay back.
Come with me.
No, I will not. She is staying with us.
Move aside.
No, we are leaving. Walk with me. I am coming. Do not stop. Okay.
Are you safe, Lily?
Yes, Mom.
Tell me what happened.
A stranger talked to Lily.
Did you go with him?
No, Dad. But
We should go home.
yes, together.
Safety comes first.
You made a good choice.
I was scared.
You stayed with Lily.
You did the right thing.
Oh!
I remembered your rule. I am proud of you.
We need a family safety plan.
That is a good idea.
We will practice it together.
Never leave with a stranger.
Stay with my family.
Exactly.
Stay away from my family. I understand. This is your warning. Why is he looking there? I need something. What do you need?
Dad, I remember the old box.
The one in the garage?
Yes, that one.
There is something inside.
What is it?
An old map.
Where does it lead?
To an old cabin.
Near the forest?
Yes.
We will stay together.
No one goes alone.
Exactly.
Are we close?
I think so.
I see a path ahead.
Stay close to me.
I will, Mom.
Good girl.
This must be the cabin.
It looks very old.
Let us stay careful.
What is inside? I do not know. Stay close.
Grace, look at this notebook.
It may explain everything.
Let us read it carefully. This clue explains the mystery.
So that is why he came here?
Yes, I think so.
We are leaving together.
I will stay close to you.
That is the safest choice.
Always stay with your family.
I will remember that, Dad.
Good. Safety comes first. Did you enjoy our family story?
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Moral of the story: never go anywhere with a stranger. Always stay close to your family. Say no when something feels wrong. Tell a trust adult when you need help. Stay clean, stay together, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.